Welcome. I'm going to create for you the Twisti Verdure necklace design. The design uses Czech Glass design beads, sterling silver Black Finish Twisti tubes, and sterling silver Black Finish components. The design also uses traditional Czech seed beads in size 9 and 11. I will be using Griffin beading wire, 49 strand in 0.45mm. The 49 strands within the cable make a flexible cable, making it kink resistant and suitable for working with twisty tube beads. Cut 50 centimeters of your Griffin beading wire with a pair of side cutters. I am going to use this mini bulldog clip to make sure no beads can fall off my cable while I'm working. In the following order, thread on the first section of beads, starting with the Black Finish Twisti tube. Continue repeating the pattern until the desired length required is achieved. Finish on whatever section of the necklace suits the required length. You can either finish with a twisty tube and another section of seed beads, or finish with a glass bead and seed beads. The cable end fitting is the perfect component to finish the necklace and attach a catch. The slim component works with the small seed beads and creates a professional finish. Place the cable into the sleeve of the cable end. Using chain nose pliers, fold prong 1 first and then 2 and 3 over the cable, nudging the prongs from the sides and then squeezing the top and bottom to create a firm attachment evenly around the cable. Final squeeze across the top and bottom for super security if necessary. To do the other end, snug up all of your beads. Give a check to make sure there are no little gaps, but we don't want it to be too tight, so allow a relaxed fit. To affix your catch, use 2 jump rings to either end of the necklace. Always open the jump rings apart gently by manoeuvring one side towards you and one side away from you. Slide the catch onto the jump ring before reclosing the jump ring. If you want the flexibility of an extender catch, you can easily create one. I have created a complete kit with clear diagram instructions, which is available in our Bead Kits department. Check in the description below for the link. Thank you for watching.